Hello and welcome to this Cropster Origin tutorial. In this video we're going to discuss cupping. Cupping is an industry standard practice of sensorial analysis used in quality control. In Cropster there are several different ways to perform a cupping, but we're going to stick with our example using samples. To begin, navigate to the Samples tab. And here you see a list of all of the samples that have been registered so far from our batches. We can either cup one at a time, or we can cup as a group. Let's start by cupping just one sample. Navigate to our sample number 18. And down here, where it says Add Cupping, you can press the button. We have several different options for how to cup. We can do either a non-blind cupping, where we see the identity of each sample, a blind cupping, where the sample's identity is hidden behind a code, A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3, or a double-blind cupping, which allows two different users to enter the information so that nobody knows the identity of the cupping information. Let's just stick with a non-blind cupping for this example. We can also set up a cupping sheet. This is the standard SCA cupping sheet as of 2015, but there is a longer list. If you'd like to learn more about the cupping sheets available, please reach out to us or look at help.cropster.com. Here is the sample that we're choosing to register, and here are all the cuppers that are going to be evaluating this particular sample. Let's start the analysis. Here we see the different categories belonging to this cupping sheet. As an example, let's go ahead and insert some information. Based on those numbers, we come to an overall final score of 84 points. We can also add some descriptors to further describe the flavor of the coffee. For example, maybe this one tastes like lemon. And maybe it also tastes a little bit earthy. Notice that earthy is a negative descriptor, whereas lemon is a positive one. You can add as many descriptors as you want, and there are custom descriptors available in the Lab Settings menu. Please check out our Lab Settings video to learn more. Let's save this analysis and close out the window. You'll notice the results of our cupping now appear on this screen. We can also analyze multiple samples at the same time. For example, going back to the Samples menu, we can press the check boxes next to each one, and then go to the Quality menu and select Add Cupping Session. Again, we are asked if we want to do a non-blind, blind, or double-blind cupping session, and to choose a cupping sheet and our evaluators. This time, you'll notice that multiple different samples are listed, and we should fill each one of them in order to complete the form. Lastly, we should go back to our batches table, because this will also enlighten us into where the sample information goes. Down at batch number 6, if we enter, we can see now the score and the descriptors that we had previously entered. To learn more about cupping, please visit help.cropster.com.